Hey YouTube! So today I am going to make a graphic shirt. I'm going to use this image that I created out of shapes using a free website. The link will be provided at the end of the video for that website. Also, I'm using Pen Plus Gear Transfer paper. I did a review on this paper in a separate video. The link will be also provided at the end of this video. This paper works really well when it comes out, but I did have an issue with the ink fading and changing colors after it was washed. So we're going to see how it does on black, because the video I did first had color in it and the color did bleed. So let's get started. I do already have my heat press turned on. I normally turn mine to 355. That's just how I normally put mine. And it's on 18 seconds. I don't always let it stay the full 18 seconds. I might just let it stay for 16 or to 15 seconds. It really depends. Because in this packet, they don't really give you information on what your heat press settings should be. They only give you iron settings, like if you plan to iron it onto something. So let's get started. Alright. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press my shirt for about 7 seconds so that I get the area that I want to do already hot, so that it's easier to transfer. All right, this part is fine, and since I use light transfer paper, it's mirrored, so it's gonna go down flat. And then while it's still hot, as the instructions inside of the packet stated, we would peel it off then. So try to position it exactly where you would like it. I know it's kind of hard to be exact because sometimes you will think it's in the center and it's really not. But I think this is pretty fine right here. This is my Teflon paper. I'm not going to lie. It came out of a packet of Avery transfer paper, but I really like this. I started using the Pen Plus Gear transfer paper because the Avery transfer paper is sold separately. You have to buy light, you have to buy dark, and when you add up the price for two, it comes up to around $14–15 with tax. This Pen Plus Gear transfer paper is only like $8–9 at Walmart. So I put my Teflon paper over it. I have the image where I would like it to be. And here we are. 1, 2, 3. We're on 12 seconds now out of 18, so I'm going to stop at around 5. Alright. It says peel while still hot, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a second. Well, doesn't look like it pressed well, so I'm going to give it just a few more seconds. All right. So, let's see. This is what it looks like before I peel it. This is, you can kind of see it through the back. So, let's see. So it actually did need the full 18 seconds, and I did set it for 3:55. So that might be noted, because if I would have peeled it when I did it on, like, I did it like 13 to 15 seconds, it wasn't completely pressed on yet. But this is the outcome. Chasing a bag. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share. And please leave your feedback if you have any questions or concerns about how I did something, what I used, or where I purchased it. I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. But all in all, I do like it. You can tell in the material a little bit where the color didn't completely catch to the transfer paper when I printed it out. But for something quick, cheap, and easy, this came out pretty good. And I created the image myself using a website, and I am going to put that at the end of the video. I hope you like it. I do plan to do more tutorials using different transfer papers and different screen printing websites.